अज्ञानतिमिरन्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुर्मिलितं येन तस्मै श्रीगुरवे नमः। श्रीचैतन्यमनभीष्टं स्थापितं येन भूतले स्वयं रूपं कदामयं ददाति सोपदान्ति। वन्देऽहं श्रीगुरो श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सगण रघुनाथनीतं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनसहितं कृष्णचैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधाकृष्णपादान् सगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितांश्च। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धो जगत्पते गोपेशो गोपिकाकान्त राधाकान्तो नमस्तुते। तप्तकाञ्चन गौराङ्गी राधे वृन्दावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। वाञ्छाकल्पतरुभ्यश्च कृपासिन्धुभ्यश्च पतितानां पावनेभ्यो वैष्णवेभ्यो नमो नमः। नमो महावदान्याय कृष्णप्रेमप्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्णचैतन्यनाम्ने गौरद्वैषे नमः। यद्वैतं ब्रह्मोपनिषदि तदप्यस्य तनुभा ज आत्मान्तर्यामि पुरुषै अस्यांश विभव षडैश्वर्यपूर्णजय भगवान् स्वयमयं न चैतन्यात् कृष्ण जगति परतत्त्वं परमिह। राधा कृष्ण प्रणय विकृति लादिनी शक्तिरस्मा देकात्मनावपि भुवि पुरा देहभेदं गतौ तौ चैतनाख्यं प्रकटमधुना तद्वयं चैक्यमाप्तं राधा भावद्वैतेषु बलि नौमि कृष्ण स्वरूपं। चिनादतं निजगुप्तभीतं स्वप्रेम नामामृतमत्युदारम् आपामरं जो विततार गौरकृष्ण तमो प्रपद्ये। गौरो सच्चरितामृतामृतनिधे गौरं सदैव स्तुवे गौरेण पतितं रहस्यवदनं गौराय सर्वं ददे। गौरादस्ति कृपालुरत्रो न परो गौरस्य मृत्यो अभवम्। गौरे गौरवमाचरामि भगवन् गौरप्रभो रक्ष मां। माधुर्यै मधुभिः सुगन्धिवदनं स्वर्णाम्बुजानं वनं कारुण्यामृतनिर्झरैरुपचितो सत्प्रेम हेमाचलं। भक्ताम्बोदरधरणी विजयिनी निष्कम्प सम्पावळिर् देवो नः कुलदैवतं विजयतां चैतन्य कृष्ण हरि। आजानुलम्बितभुजौ कनकावदातौ सङ्कीर्तनैकपित कमलायताख्यौ विश्वम्भरद्विजवर जुगधर्मपालौ वन्दे जगत्प्रियकर करुणावतारम्। अनार्पिततरिञ्चिरं करुणयावतीर्ण कलौ समर्पयितुमुन्नतजलरसां स्वभक्तिः। हरिपुरट सुन्दरदुती कदम्ब सन्दीपित सदा हृदय कन्दरे सुरतु सचिनन्दनं श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्यं श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानन्द श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौरभक्त। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरि हरि हरे राम শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য দেব রতি মতি ভাবে প্রেম তরু রাধা শ্রীকৃষ্ণ চৈতন্য দেব রতি মতি ভাবে রাধিকা জীবন অপরূপ এই সব কথা নবদ্বীপে অবতরী রাধা ভাব অঙ্গিক তার কান্তি অঙ্গের ভূষণ নবদ্বীপে বেড়া শশী গর্ভী পরক সঙ্গী লইয়া পারিষদ গণ তিনবন্তা গৌর হরি অবতরী প্রেমের বাদর সাধিল্লা মনের নিজ কান গৌর হরি অবতরী প্রেমের রাধিকার প্রাণপতি কিভাবে কান্দইনি বুঝে কত সমাজ রাধিকার হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি হরি রাম 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 হরি হরি হরে কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি হরি রাম 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 হরি 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 কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি হরি রাম 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 হরি 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 কৃষ্ণ উত্তম অদম কিছু না বাঁচিল যাচিয়ে দিলে ককল উত্তম কয়ে প্রেমানন্দ এমন গৌরাঙ্গী হৃদয় ধরিয়া বলো কয়ে গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লহ গৌরাঙ্গ নামরি বল ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ লহ গৌরাঙ্গ নামরি ভজ যে জনা গৌরাঙ্গ ভজি সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে যে জনা গৌরাঙ্গ ভজি সে হই আমার প্রাণ রে যে জনা ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ ল গৌরাঙ্গ নামরি ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভজি সে হই আমার প্রাণ যে জন হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি হরি রাম 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 হরি 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 কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরি হরি রাম 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 হরি হরি যশৈব পাদম ভজ ভক্তি লভ্য প্রেমাভিধান পরম পুমর্থ তস্মৈ জগন মঙ্গল মঙ্গলায় চৈতন্য চন্দ্রায় নমো নমস্তে চৈতন্য চন্দ্রায় নমো নমস্তে আনন্দ লীলাময় বিগ্রহায় হিমাবদিভ্য ছবি সুন্দরায় তস্মৈ মহাপ্রেম রসপ্রদায় চৈতন্য চন্দ্রায় নমো নমস্তে চৈতন্য जन्नाप्तुम कर्मनिष्ठेन न च समधिगतुम जत्तप ध्यान जोगी वैरागी त्यागस्तत्वस्तुतिभिरपि न जत कीर्तन चापि कैश्चित् गोविंद प्रेम भाजंगपि न च कलितं जदरहस्यं स्वयं च नाम्नैव प्रादुरासीत् अवतरति परेतत्त्वं नौमि गौरम। चैतन्य चरितामृतम आदि लीला चैप्टर 10 दशम परिच्छेद 15। बड़ शाखा गदाधर पंडित बड़ शाखा गदाधर पंडित गोसाई बड़ शाखा तेह लक्ष्मी रूपा तारो सम के हो नाई तेह लक्ष्मी रूपा तार शिष्य उपशिष्य तारो उपशाखा এই মতো সব শাখা উপশাখার লেখা এই মতো সব শাখা বক্রেশ্বর পণ্ডিত প্রভুর বড় প্রিয় ভৃত্য বক্রেশ্বর एक भावे 24 रोजार नृत्य एक भावे 24 अपने महाप्रभु गाय नृत्य काले अपने महाप्रभु प्रभुर चरण धरी बक्रेश्वर बोले प्रभुर चरण धरी दश सहस गंधर्व मुरे देह चंद्र मुख दश तारा गाय मुई नाचो तबे मोर सुख तारा गाय मुई नाचो प्रभु बोले तुमी मोर पक्ष एको शाखा प्रभु आकाशे उड़ी ताम जदि पाऊँ आरो सा पाखा आकाशे उड़ी ताम जदि पाऊँ आरो पाखा प्रभु बोले तुमी मोर पक्ष एको शाखा प्रभु आकाशे उड़ी ताम जदि पाऊँ आरो पाखा आकाशे शाखा गदाधर पंडित गोसाई तेहो लक्ष्मी रूपा तार सम केह नाई। Gadadhar Pandit, the fourth branch, is described as an incarnation of pleasure potency of Sri Krishna, no one therefore can equal him. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. In Gaura Ganadesh Dipika, verses 147 through 153 is stated, the pleasure potency of Sri Krishna, formerly known as Vrindavaneshwari, is now personified in the form of Sri Gadadhar Pandit in the pastimes of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Sri Swarup Damodar Goswami has pointed out that in the shape of Lakshmi, the pleasure potency of Krishna, she was formerly very dear to the Lord as Shyam Sundar Vallabha. The same Shyam Sundar Vallabha is now present as Gadadhar Pandit. Formerly as Lalita Sakhi, she was always devoted to Srimati Radharani. In the 12th chapter of this part of Chaitanya Charitamrita, there is a description of the descendants or disciplic succession of Gadadhar Pandit. तार शिष्य उपशिष्य तार उपशाखा यही मत सब शाखा उपशाखा लेखा. His disciples and grand disciples are his sub branches. To describe them all would be difficult. Bakreshwar Pandita Prabhura bada priya bhrutya eko bhave 24 prahar jar nritya. Bakreshwar Pandit, the fifth branch of the tree, was a very dear servant of Lord Chaitanya. He could dance with constant ecstasy for 72 hours. 72 hours. One prahara, a duration of time comprising 3 hours. So 24 praharas is 72 hours. That means 3 days. 3 days. Dance 3 days constantly. Such ecstasy. Purport by Srila Prabhupada. In the Gaura Ganadesh Dipika, 24 hours. Gaura Ganadesh Dipika, verse 71. It is stated that Bakreshwar Pandit was an incarnation of Aniruddha, one of the quadruple expansion of Vishnu, Vasudev, Sankarsana, Aniruddha and Pradyumna. He could dance wonderfully for 72 continuous hours. When Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu played in dramatic performances in the house of Srivas Pandit, Bakreshwar Pandit was one of the chief dancers, and he danced continually for the length of time, Sri Govinda Das, an Oriya devotee of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, has described the life of Bakreshwar Pandit in his book Gaura Krishnodaya. There are many disciples of Bakreshwar Pandit in Orissa, and they are known as Gaudiya Vaishnavas, although they are Oriyas. Among these disciples of Sri Gopal Guru, are Sri Gopal Guru and his disciple Sri Dhyan Chandra Goswami. आपने महाप्रभु गाय जार नृत्य काले प्रभुर चरण धरी बक्रेश्वर बोले. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu personally sang while Bakreshwar Pandit danced, and thus Bakreshwar Pandit fell at the lotus feet of the Lord and spoke as follows: Dasa sahasra gandha mure deho chandra mukha, tara gaye mui nacho tabe mor sukha. O chandra mukha, moon-faced one, please give me 10,000 Gandharvas. Let them sing as I dance, and then I will be greatly happy. The Gandharvas, who are residents of Gandharvaloka, are celebrated as celestial singers. Whenever singing is needed in the celestial planets, the Gandharvas are invited to sing. The Gandharvas can sing continuously for days, and therefore Bakreshwar Pandit wanted to dance as they sang. प्रभु बोले तुम्ही मोर पक्ष एको शाखा आकाशे उड़िताम जदि पाऊं आर पाखा. Lord Chaitanya replied, I have only one wing like you, but if I had another, certainly I would fly in the sky. Then will be another. Yogeshwara will be another. Will you be? Then Mahaprabhu will fly. Will you dance continuously for 72 hours like Vakreshwar Pandit? Then will become another wing of Mahaprabhu. Can you continuously dance for 72 hours like Vakreshwar Pandit?
Empower me, then I try.
Yes, dance, nice. बड़ा शाखा गदाधर पंडित गोसाई तेह लक्ष्मी रूपा तार सम के होना गदाधर पंडित होती चतुर्थ शाखा चैतन्य वृक्षर ते वृंदावनेश्वरी and Lakshmi Rupa in the shape of Lakshmi, Swarup Goswami says, pleasure potential Krishna, formerly known as Shyam Sundar Vallabha, is Gadadhar Pandit now. And another opinion is formerly Lalita Sakhi, who was always devoted to Srimati Radharani, is Gadadhar Pandit. So, Lalita Sakhi also we say Rai Ramananda is Lalita Sakhi. In Gaura Ganadesh Dipika is mentioned. In Rai Ramananda, three are there, three enter. Lalita Sakhi, another Sakhi named Arjunia Sakhi and Arjuna. Three have entered into Rai Ramananda. Do you understand? Lalita Sakhi, Arjunia Sakhi and Arjuna. Rai Ramananda. Yes. Three. Lalita Sakhi, Arjunia Sakhi and Arjuna. Third brother of five Pandavas. First is Yudhishthira, second is Bhima, third is Arjuna. Dear Sakha of Krishna. Krishna drove his chariot in Kurukshetra. So three have entered into Rai Ramananda. Chaitanya Charitamrita also says this Bhavananda Rai is the father of Ramananda Rai, isn't it? Bhavananda Rai. And Mahaprabhu says you are Pandu. Pandu has 5 sons, he had 5 sons. So Rai Ramananda, one of the sons is Arjuna. Plus Gaura Ganadesh Dipika also says Lalita Sakhi is also Lalita Sakhi in Krishna Leela. And one another Arjunia Sakhi. So 3 are there. According to Gaura Ganadesh Dipika, 3 are there in Rai Ramananda. Similarly in Gadadhar Pandit, 3 opinions come. You understand? One is Vrindavaneshwari, another is Shyama Sundar Vallabha, Swarup Goswami says, another is Lalita Sakhi. 3 are there. And Gadadhar Pandit. You understand? So when this thing comes, one should understand this question of Sakhi, Radharani and her Sakhis, girl companions. What is their activities? Mahaprabhu has accepted Radha Bhav, Gopi Bhav, Radha Bhav. Radharani is the chief of all gopis, so Radha Bhav. So in Govinda Lilamrita it is said, Ka Krishnasya pranayajanivu Srimati Radhikeika, Kasya prayasi anupama guna Radhikeika na chanya, Jaindyam kese drusi tarata nishtuvatam kuche asyaha, Vancha purte prabhavati hari Radhikeika na chanya. In Govinda Lilamrita, written by Kaviraj Goswami, it is said, this is very highest thing. Just I am saying, because this, in respect to Gadadhar Pandit, because Gadadhar Pandit is one of the Sakhis, Lalita Sakhi and Shyam Sundar Vallabha, shape of Lakshmi Rupa, Vrindavaneshwari, Radharani and her dear Sakhi. So one should understand what is Radharani and her Sakhis. is very highest thing. It is very difficult to understand unless one is in that platform. Pure platform of prema. You understand? One who has at least attained bhav stage. Then bhav matures, then stage of prema comes. You understand? Follow me? Huh? Understood? So, when you speak about this thing, this bhakti, sadhana bhakti, these things, three stages are there. In sadhana bhakti stage, there are three stages, isn't it? Three stages. What is that? Sadhana dasa, bhav dasa, prem dasa. Isn't it? Three stages. Sadhana, bhav, sadhana bhakti, bhav bhakti, prem bhakti. Or you say sadhana dasa, bhav dasa, prem dasa. Stage. Stage of sadhana, stage of bhava, stage of prema. At least one who has attained bhav stage, only he can understand what otherwise cannot be understood. It will be misunderstood. It will be misunderstood. So just I am speaking, but you are not at all qualified to understand this thing, none of you. All of you only understand it. But don't misunderstand. Think yourself, I am very low, I have not attained that stage, just I am listening. Don't misunderstand it. Then you will commit great upgrowth. Do you understand? Therefore, it's generally not discussed publicly. It's only discussed among Paramahansas, very elevated personalities. At least one who has attained bhav stage, he can understand something. One is attained prem stage, he can understand completely. Only such persons, such devotees, discuss all these points. So, I am just speaking to you, just giving you some inspiration, that you will be very eager how to elevate yourself to that stage, then you can understand, as Narottam Das Thakur says, Rupa Raghunatha Pade Hoiva Akuti Kobe Ama Buddhava Sujuvala. When I can get the mercy of Rupa and Raghunath, cry, clasping their lotus feet, cry, and get their mercy, then I'll be able to understand this conjugal love between Radha and Krishna. Otherwise I cannot understand. Do you follow me? Yes. As this Habib Dhan says, looks at Radha Krishna, he develops lost in him. Oh, the girl embracing. And in the West also, my Guru Maharaj says, they, with that girl, with Krishna. Yes. This misunderstand, they cannot understand what is Radha. So it's not easy thing. That's quite natural. That don't misunderstand it. If you misunderstand, better get out from here. Don't sit in this class. I'll tell you, get out here. Don't misunderstand, don't develop such thing. You will be finished. Do you understand? You will be finished. Radharani's mercy you will never get. You will never get Radharani's mercy. You cannot understand. You cannot approach Krishna. Don't enrage Radharani thereby. I tell you, don't enrage her. No. Rather be very humble. I am lecho and jovan. I am most degraded like animal. My conscience is very dull conscience. But, oh Radharani, please shower your mercy on me. I cannot understand it. And please excuse me. Just, I am sitting here just to hear. But I can understand as a deaf person, I am deaf. Let it touch my ear. The day will come, my ear will open. Then I can understand. Only after this prayer to Radharani. Otherwise, don't misunderstand it. This is other. Better to get out here. Get out here. Better to get out. So three stages, three conditions. Sadhan dasa, bhav dasa, prem dasa. You understand? Bhakti. Shuddha bhakti. Pure bhakti has three conditions or stages. Sadhan dasa, bhav dasa, prem dasa. Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami has given this thing. What is that? Yes. क्लेशग्नि शुभदत्व क्लेशनघत्व शुभदत्व मुख्य लघुताकारित्व सुलभत्व संद्रानंद विशेषत्व श्रीकृष्ण आकर्षणत्व. Isn't it? Follow? Yogeshwar.
You say it again.
Yeah. That is there in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu it is there. Kleshagnatva, Subhadatva, Mukhyalagutakaritva, Sudurlabhatva, Sandhananda Visesatva, Sri Krishna Akarsanatva. These are 4 plus 2, 6. 6 items are there. You understand? 6 items in 3 dasas. There are 6 items.
But that is in English.
English. You learn this language, Baba. Otherwise, how can you learn? How can you be a student of this postgraduate study course? Chaitanya Charitamrita. You must understand it and know it. Otherwise, you cannot taste it, release it. Do you follow me? Do you follow me? This Yogeshwar. You cannot understand it.
If you explain it with Sanskrit, then I might benefit also.
That is difficulty with me. You get up, don't be my student. Don't be my student.
I have to take next word.
Don't be my student. That's difficulty with me. I face difficulty expressing it in English. All right, I'll try my best. I'll try my best. What shall I do? In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, it's mentioned there. These 6 items are there in Shuddha Bhakti. In Shuddha Bhakti, there are these 6 items. Where it is? Yes. क्लेशाघ्नत्व शुभदत्व मुख्य लघुताकारित्व सुदुर्लभत्व सांदानंद विशेषत्व श्रीकृष्णाकर्षणत्व. Understood? Kleshagnatva. First is kleshagna. Klesha means all your miseries will be destroyed. First thing is all your miseries will be destroyed.
I have a in English, Bhakti-Rasamrita Sindhu,
Yeah.
by Paul Maharaj.
Oh?
Paul Maharaj translated.
Who?
Paul Maharaj.
Bon. Acha, acha. Ah. So have you, do you know what's English? Hmm?
I haven't studied thoroughly.
Huh?
I haven't studied thoroughly, fully. I haven't studied the whole.
You have not studied. Huh?
મારી મજરી કરેছে પ્લસ ઓગણીસ બધા એટલે મજરી કરેছে
Class Agni Subhada. But I'm just trying to get it out. It destroys all your miseries. This Class Agni. You follow? Second thing, Subhadattva is all auspicious. Third thing, Mukhya Lagutakaritva. Then this pure devotion, Sudha Bhakti, develops this Mukhya, the liberation. One kicks that liberation, it becomes very, very insignificant. Liberation, this Mukhya Lagutakaritva. Mukhya Lagutakaritva. Then Sudurlabhatva. It is very rare. Not easy thing. Rarely achieved. Sudurlabhatva. You follow? Sudurlabhatva. Then how many? You got 4. Then fifth one, Sandhananda Vishesatva. Sandhananda Vishesatva. That means what you say, ecstatic pleasure. Next one is Sri Krishna Karsanatva. Sri Krishna Karsanatva, yes. Sri Krishna Karsanatva. Klesagni Subhada, Mukhya Lagutakrut. Mukhya Lagutakrut. Sudurlabha, Sandhananda Vishesatma, Sri Krishna Karsani Chasa. Do you follow? This is Sudha Bhakti has 6 items, 6 glories. Number 1, Klesagni, that means destroys all your material miseries, sinful reactions, ignorance, this Klesagni. Number 2, Subhada is all auspicious. Number 3, Mukhya Lagutakrut, it makes Mukhya liberation very, very insignificant, it kicks out. Fourth one, Sudurlabha, is very rare, difficult to get, Sudurlabha. Fifth one, Sandhananda Vishesatma, very deep, ecstatic pleasure one derives. Sixth one, Sri Krishna Karsani, it attracts Krishna, the last one. You understand? The Sudha Bhakti has these 6 glories. In Bhakti-Rasamrita Sindhu, Srila Rupa Goswami has mentioned this thing. mentions this thing. Subhadattva, and some further explanation I may give, this Subhadattva, all auspiciousness, all auspicious Subhadattva. Subhani Prinanam, Sarva Jagatan Anuraktata, Sadguna Sukhamityadina Khyatani Manisirivi. In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami says, that means those who know this tattva, the devotees, they say like that. One who develops this pure bhakti, he loves one and all. One who loves Krishna, he loves one and all. Because everybody, everything is related to Krishna. So those are sadhus. They love one and all. And at the same time, this is not one-sided. If you love somebody, you will also reciprocate. This question of reciprocation. When sadhus love one and all, their whole world also loves sadhu. Then this reciprocation. So, the pleasure or happiness that is derived out of these is Subhadattva, is all auspicious. This is the explanation of Subhadattva. Do you understand me? This further explanation. Jagat Prinana, then another point is also there. Subhani Prinanam, Sarva Jagatanu Anuraktata, Sadguna Sukhamityadina Khyatani Manisivi. Then another point, Prinana. Prinana means, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami is quoted from Padma Purana. Janarchito haristena tapitani jagantyapi rajyanti jantavastatra jangama sthavarapi. That means, one who worships Lord Krishna with love, do you understand? He satisfies whole world. Just means tushti jagat tushta. If Lord Krishna is satisfied, then the whole world will be satisfied. So one who does Krishna bhajan or worships, serves Krishna with love, he can satisfy the whole world. Because Krishna is satisfied with him. So, sthavar, moving, non-moving, all are attracted to that person. Whole world is attracted. That is Prinana. Do you understand? Do you follow me? This is Subhadattva. Klesanagatva, Subhadattva. Then Moksha Lagutakaritva. Moksha becomes, liberation becomes very, very insignificant. Then Sudurlavatva, very rarely achieved. Sandrananda Vishwasattva, very deep, ecstatic bliss. And sixth one, Sri Krishna Karsanatva. Krishna becomes attracted. So, in sadhana dasa, only, that means four things are there in bhava stage. Klesanagatva, Subhadattva, Moksha Akaritva, Sudurlavatva. Alright? Four are, two or more there added. So I say, one who has at least attained this bhav stage, only he can understand this point, otherwise nobody. You follow my point? Then Premavastha, all six are there. These four plus other two. That is Sandrananda Vishwasattva, Sri Krishna Karsanatva. Do you understand? The one who has attained Prema stage, there are all six items are there. So those who have attained Prema stage, only they discuss all these things, topics. Among them it is discussed. Otherwise, nobody can understand. So none of you are qualified to understand this thing. You follow? None of you. You are neophytes. Only sadhana, dasa. Not attain bhav, but to speak of prema. How can I understand this thing? Therefore, don't misunderstand it. If it will develop in you, better get out of this, from this class. Get out of here. I tell you this thing. I speak this thing because it comes up. It is related to it. And deliberately, my Guru Maharaj has not said this thing because you cannot understand it. Why you say? When you develop, make advancement, attain that, but then naturally, inquisitiveness will be there. You will inquire about it. And it is there. It will come to you. Unless you inquire, how will it come to you? So he left it for your inquiry. That is Srila Prabhupada has done so. He left it for your inquiry. Let them elevate themselves to that stage, bhav stage. Then let them inquire. Then this will be taught. Otherwise it will never be taught. Do you follow my point? Yes. Therefore Prabhupada says, everything is in my book. Manifested and not manifested. Both are there. Follow my point? Vyakta, avyakta. Manifested and not manifested. And it will be manifested when you attain that stage and inquire about it. Otherwise it will never be manifested before you. But these fools cannot understand this thing. They criticize. Bhaktivedanta Swami, he has given only A, B, C, D. Yes, they say so. Isn't it? A, B, C, D, only A, B, C, D. Yes, not higher things. He is fool. Great offender. Great offender says like that. Great offender. You follow? I'll crush his head. Nonsense. Yes. You cannot understand Bhaktivedanta Swami. You cannot understand him. So how they are now husking the husk now. Where from Jiva comes, they are husking the husk. These fools husking the husk only. They cannot understand Bhaktivedanta Swami. What he has said. You dull-headed fellows. Achintya khaduja bhavanastam tarkena jodayat, which is inconceivable. What material logic you will add to it? Argument to add to it? Don't add. Don't add to it. This is spiritual topics, not material. It's achintya, it's inconceivable. How can you conceive of it? They are only husking the husk. Baba, if you say, they cannot understand. Such dullhead. Yes. Yes.
Even after 20 years past, they don't understand. They are not the body.
No.
That's what Prabhupada said over and over again. You are not the body.
You are not the body, because this is first thing. First lesson. You have not even gotten first lesson. What to speak of the higher postgraduate study? Lessons. So I say, it's better to get out of it, rather if you misunderstand. Don't sit here. Get out of it. You follow me? Yes. You cannot understand Prabhupada, what he has said. I say, it needs further explanation. Yes, further explanation. Everything is there. Manifested and not manifested. Avyakta. Yes. So I was quoting this. Only one I'll quote. I have no time. I'll go. Because it's very difficult to make you understand. First thing, you don't know the language. Second thing, you're very low, degraded stage, not elevated. Do you understand? And third thing, difficulty with me to express in English. All these things are there, combined together. So, Govinda Lila Amrita, Ka Krishnasya Pranayadani Bhu, Srimati Radhikeika, Kasya Prayasya Anupama Guna, Radhikeika no Sanya. Jainjam Kese Drusi Taralata Nishtratam Kuchasya, Banchapurti Prabhavati Hari Radhikeika no Sanya. If this question is read, What is the birthplace of Krishna Pranaya? Follow my language. What is the birthplace, or which is the birthplace, or who is the birthplace of Krishna Pranaya? Huh? Pranaya means love. In English, only this word is available. No other word is available. Do you follow me? But it is not sufficient. I can't get language in English how to speak. Prema and pranaya, there is difference is there. Still you understand this thing, gross understanding. And you cannot enter into the subtle point, only gross. Who is the birthplace of Krishna Pranaya? Answer is only Radharani. Do you understand? Only Radharani says, Srimati Radhikaika. Eka means only Radharani. The next question. Anupama Gunapriya. Who is dearmost to Krishna? There is no comparison to it. There is only Radharani. That is the same answer. Do you understand? Eka Radhika. That is it. Kasya priyasya nupama guna radhikaika, no chanya, no other. Only Radhika. Do you understand? So, in Radhika, there are these things. In her hair, there is this kutilata, complexity, or curling, not straight, zigzag. Do you understand? In the hair. And liquidity, tharlata, and the eyes. Do you understand? And nishthrota, what do you say? Cruelty? Cruelty. Where is it? In the breast of Radharani. You understand? Kucha. Kucha means breast. You understand? Complexity in her hair, liquidity in her eyes, and cruelty in her breast. Only Radharani, it has very deep meaning. I only literal translation is not sufficient. Very deep meaning, purport is here. If I explain, it will take days together, and you cannot understand. So I am not going to say all these things. Very deep. You understand? Very deep. It's very deep. And only Radharani is able to fulfill all the desires of Krishna, nobody else. You follow? रात्रि दिन कुंजे क्रीड़ा करे राधा संगे कैसर बयस सफल कैल क्रीड़ा रंगे चैतन्य चरितामृत मध्य लीला Kaviraj Goswami. This is the only activity of Krishna, no other activity. Day and night plays with Radharani. Krishna plays with Radharani day and night, 24 hours in Kunja. Do you follow? During his Brajabhumi Lila, Braj Lila, Kishore boys, Braj Lila. Do you understand? 11, 12 years old, Kishore. Kishore was Sabhala Kala Kida, only this act, no other activity.
You know, in Chaitanya Charitamrita, Prabhupada explains that once Krishna was coming back at night time, and he met with Radharani, And he was explaining her affair, last
Yes, sir.
night affair,
Yes.
conjugal affair with the gopis.
Yes.
She closed her ear
Yes.
because it indicated a sexual relationship.
Huh?
They indicated the affair that he had some sexual relationship with some of the gopis. How would you say?
What is what? He does describe what happened the last night.
Yes, but
Hmm.
he was explaining the conjugal relationship.
Conjugal relationship, yes.
For out of shame,
Yes.
she closed her eyes and ear also.
Yes.
To hear.
Yes, because it's so such a thing, such a topic. Do you understand? Because it feels ashamed. Bashfulness. Do you understand? That I am quoting from Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu. Rupa Goswami has written, Vacha Suchita Sarvari Rati Kala Pragal Bhaya Radhikang Vrida Kunchita Lochanang Virachayanagre Sakhi Namasau Tadvakhyoruha Chitra Keli Makari Panditya Parangata Kaisaram Safali Karoti Kalayana Kunje Viharang Hari. But you say it is here. Do you understand? In Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Rupa Goswami has quoted. Krishna described what happened the last night. Do you understand? Purvarajani, Ratikala, about conjugal love. Do you understand? Such words, such statements she gave. Thereby Radharani closed her eyes because she felt so bashful. Do you understand? Bashfulness. That closed. To say, last night, during in Kunja Krida, during conjugal activities, Krishna wrote Chitrakeli Makara Kruti on the two breasts of Radharani. You can't understand anything. Some that we do like this, with some kumkum and with the Gopi Chandan. Similarly, Krishna wrote, decorated Radharani's two breasts in some this. That is a, we say, Makara Kruti Patravali, Chitrakeli, Makari, pictures, we say Makari. Makari, do you understand? He said like that. So Sakhis are there, and Krishna is saying like this, they all feel bashfulness. They all close their ears and eyes. They become so bashful. Radharani felt so bashful. So these are the activities of Krishna during Kishore Boyasa, 11, 12 years old in Brajabhumi, day and night, 24 hours in Kunja. You understand? This is all where Ramananda says in inquiry. This Mahaprabhu inquired, and Ramananda is saying, quoting all these things and saying, Ramananda Rai kohe jai kahao sei kohi vani ki kohe bhalmando kichhui na jane. মোর মুখে বক্তা তুমি হো শ্রোতা অত্যন্ত রহস্য শুনো সাধনের কথা রামান রয় I don't know what I am saying. You speak through me and you hear. I don't know what I am saying. Do you follow me? That Raman said. Then further he said, সখী বিনা यही লীলায় অন্যের নাহি গতি সখী ভাবে যে তারে করে অনুগতি রাধা কৃষ্ণ কুঞ্জ সেবা সাধ্য সেই পায় সেই সাধ্য পাইতে আর নাহি কৌ পায়. Then he said, without Sakhi Bhav, Sakhi means girl companion of Radharani. Without Sakhi Bhav, mood of Sakhi, nobody can understand this transcendental pastimes, conjugal pastimes of Radha and Krishna. Nobody can understand.
The Guru is in Sakhi Bhav because we sing every day, every morning, Nikunja Yuno.
I said, that is one aspect of Guru, is dear girl companion of Radharani, Radha Priya Sakhi.
So all the Gurus are understand.
Guru means who is Guru in Guru, not bogus. Who has gotten Krishna prem, do you understand? Who has attracted Krishna towards him. Prem Dasa, I say last thing, Krishna, Sri Krishna, Akarsanitva, that attracts Krishna. Krishna is attracted. You understand? That Guru. Yes. Radha Krishna Kunja Seva Sadhya Sei Pai, Sei Sadhya Paita Nahi. Only he has access into Kunja of Radha Krishna. Otherwise nobody has access to that Kunja. You understand? He can serve Radha Krishna in Kunja. She can, not he. She is Sakhi Bhav, Sakhi. No male person enters there. Sakhi's manjaris. Do you understand? Very dear. They enter. You understand? Therefore I was reciting a song of Bhaktivinoda Thakur. Bhaktivinoda Thakur prays, "Oh Radharani, please accept me one of your ganas, one of your Sakhi's manjaris." Do you understand? तुया गण म्हणजे आपने गणी किंकरी करिया राखो अपनी प्लीज मेक मी योर मेड सर्वेंट देन आई विल गेट सम चांस टू सर्व राधा एंड कृष्ण इन कुंज अदरवाइज नो पॉसिबिलिटी डू फॉलो मी दैट इज व्हाट देन इन उज्ज्वल नीलमणि he has said उज्ज्वल नीलमणि Rupa Goswami has quoted. What is Sakhi and what are the activities of Sakhi? Prema Leda Viharanang Samyak Vistarika Sakhi Visramba Ratnapeti Chaha. That means the Sakhis. Do you understand Sakhi? Girl companions of Radharani, Sakhi. The Sakhis nourish the conjugal mellow activities of Radha and Krishna. They nourish it. Do you understand? And they expand it. They nourish and expand completely. Without Sakhi, these conjugal activities and that mellow cannot be nourished and expanded. They are indispensable. The Sakhis are indispensable. Do you understand? Then, he says, further, Ujjwal Nilamani says, मिथः प्रेम गुणोत्कीर्ति तयोरासक्तिकारिता अभिसारो द्वयोरेव सख्या कृष्णी समर्पणं नर्म श्वासन नेपथ्यं हृदयोद्घाटन पाटवं छिद्र संवृत्तिरे तस्याः पत्यादे परिवंचना शिक्षा संगमनं काले सेवन वेदनादिभिः तयोर्द्वयोरूपालंब संदेश प्रसरणं तथा नायिका प्राणरक्ष्य संरक्ष्या प्रवृत्त्याद्या Sakhi Kriya. These are the activities of Sakhis. Is 16 items, 16 activities. Number 1, Nayaka Nayikar Paraspara Prema Gunot Kirtana. They glorify Nayako and Nayika. What you say in English? Lover and beloved. Or what you say? Kanto Kanta. Kanto Kanta. Kanta is Krishna, Kanta is Radhika. Do you understand? Nayako Nayika, another. Nayako is Krishna, Nayika is Radha. Do you understand? They glorify. Kanto Kanta, first activity. Second, एक और अन्य प्रति आसक्ति विवर्धन. They attract one towards the other. You understand? They attract Krishna towards Radha and attract Radha towards Krishna. Second activity. Third, ubhayor abhisara karaiva. Do you understand? Abhisar means to arrange meetings in such a place of both of them, intimate, secluded place. That is Abhisar. Arrange such, make arrangements. Do you understand? Krishna gives some, what do you say? Some signs, beacon. Index, some index, that I will be there at that time. So,
Insinuating.
yes, you speak in English, I don't know. Some sanket, some sign, some hint. I'll be in that place, in Kunjabana or in Kesi Ghat or in Tamarbon or some, in that time. Speaks to one Sakhi, you go and tell Radharani. So she goes there and tells Radharani, Krishna is there waiting for you. Please come. That is Abhisar. And Radharani also says, I will be there in that certain time. You go and tell Krishna to come there. This is Abhisara. Do you understand? This is Abhisara. It's known as Abhisara. And the Sakhis, they make these arrangements and make them united together. That is Abhisara. Fourth one, Krishna Sakhi Samarpana. Sakhis are in the group of Radharani. You understand? So some Sakhi goes to Krishna's side. You understand? Some Sakhis sometimes go to Krishna's side. That is fourth activity. Fifth, Parihasa. That means cutting jokes. You understand? Cutting jokes with Radha and Krishna. It's Parihasa. Sixth, Aswaspada, giving them solace. Don't be distressed, don't be disappointed, Radharani. Sometimes also to Krishna, don't be distressed. We are making arrangements, soon both of you will meet. This is Aswaspadam. Then, seventh, Nayaka Nayikar Besakarana, Rupa Nepathya. Nepathya means saying invisibly. Do you understand? They will never be visible, but voice is coming. Oh, am I here? Like this. But it's not visible, it's Nepathya. Do you understand? Do you follow my language? I'm trying my best to speak in English. I don't know if you can understand this. Like this. Nepathya. It's not visible, but the voice comes. I'm here! Why are you wondering? I'm here, come here. Like this. Nepathya. Invisible somewhere. Understand? Nepathya. From distant place. Then eighth, Manavata Bhav Prakash Karana Nipunata. They are great, best psychologists. They can speak what is in your mind. But in the mind of Krishna they can speak, but in the mind of Radha they can speak. That is their eighth activity. Ninth, Naikar Dos Gopan. They always hide the flaws of Radharani. Radharani has no flaws, so to say, so-called. Do you understand? They always hide it. Then 10th one, Pati Prabhu, they cheat their husbands and run to the jungle of Vrindavan at midnight. Do you understand? Then 11 is Sikkha. They are educators, education. They are exporting all these activities. Then 12, Jathochita Kala Nayaka Nayakarsam. In proper time, they unite Radha and Krishna in proper time. When there is climax, both of them have reached climax, then they unite at that proper time. Then, what do you say? That ecstasy, transcendental, loving affair will be very, very enjoyable. Do you understand? Unless one reaches climax, it cannot be enjoyed. So at the proper time, and when both of them have reached climax, then proper time they make them united. Do you understand?
Separation, the climax.
Yes, separation is there, then they will go to the climax, then there will be union, they make such union. Proper time. This is 12th activity. 13th, Chamar Bejan, tanning. 14th, Uvaprati Tiraskar. Sometimes they also chastise. They chastise Krishna and chastise Radharani also. Do you understand? Gopis, they are Sakhis. Do you understand? Sakhis, chastisement there. That's good, very good. That's in loving affair is also there. Chastisement. And 15th, Sambhava Prana, sending message. Duti Prana. Some goes carrying the letter of Radharani to Krishna, and some from Krishna's side comes carrying the letter of Krishna to Radharani. That is the message bearers, the messengers. 16th, Naika Pranarakyate Jatnas. And Radharani feels so much. I says, Dasami Dasa, 10th condition, last condition is Mrityu. I'll die. Do you understand? Mrityu, die, death. Radharani becomes so much feeling pangs of Sivas and Krishna becomes such condition that as I cannot survive or die. But Sakhis tried their best to make her live. All right, oh Radharani, don't die, don't die. They're making arrangements. Don't be impatient like this. Some things they do. You understand? These are 16 types of activities of Sakhis. In Ujjwala Nilamani, Rupa Goswami has mentioned this thing. You understand? Then this one, this Gadadhar Pandit case comes, this called Sakhi. Sri Krishna Vallabha is Lalita Sakhi. All these things are there in Gadadhar Pandit. So I speak this thing. Then in Chaitanya Charitamrita Madhya 8th chapter you find Radhar Swarupa Krishna Prema Kalpalata Sakhi Gana Hoitara Pallava Pusupata Krishna Lilamrita Jadi Lata ke Sinchoy Nija Sukha Hoite Palvadhar Koti Sukha Hoy. You see, this is most important thing. Srimati real Swarupa of Radharani, what is that? It's Krishna Prema Kalpalata. Lata means creeper. You understand? If Krishna Prema assumes the shape of a creeper, you understand? That is Radharani. Do you follow? Krishna Prema Kalpalata. That is Radharani. So when question of creeper is there, then leaves are there, flowers are there. In that creeper, the leaves and flowers are the Sakhis. Do you follow? Sakhis are the leaves and flowers of that creeper. Krishna Prema creeper, that's Radharani. Do you understand? Krishna Lilamrita Jadi Lata ke Sinchoy Nija Sukha Hoite Pallavadhar Koti Sikhoy. If you pour water, if you pour water at the root of that creeper, the creeper gets some nourishment and some pleasure also. And what is that water? They pour water. When Radharani becomes the creeper of Krishna Prema, then Sakhis are there, like their leaves and flowers. Do you understand? And petals of flowers, leaves and flowers and petals of flowers. Sakhis. And if someone will pour water at the root of the creeper gets nourishment and pleasure, but the pleasure, these flowers, petals of flowers and leaves get much more. Do you understand my point? That means the Sakhis get much more pleasure than Radharani. Than Radharani. That means when they speak something, they go to Krishna and speak something about Radharani, how Radharani is feeling pangs of separation, she is going to die, she is waiting there for you like this, and Radharani is that and glorifying something. And also some come to Radharani's side also speak about Krishna has become mad for you, Radharani. He is crying there, sitting there, he is just waiting for you. You will pass by there, like this, and glorifying. This is sprinkling water. Do you understand? Thereby, both this Radha and Krishna get pleasure, but much pleasure, this Sakhis get much pleasure. That it means. That pouring water, this is pouring water. Do you understand? The much pleasure is derived by these leaves and petals of the flowers. That means Sakhis get much pleasure. In other words, they make arrangements of union of Radha and Krishna. Thereby Radha and Krishna get pleasure and happiness. But by making such arrangements and making them united in Kunja, the gopis get much pleasure. In other words, you may say like that. That is their pleasure. If they themselves unite with Krishna, they will never get such pleasure. In making arrangement of their union of Radha and Krishna, they get much pleasure. That is what he says. Do you follow me? Thank you this much. I don't know whether you understand or misunderstand it. Don't misunderstand it.
It's a shame that you just give only one drop. It's a shame is that you give only one drop only.
Only half drop
Half drop.
or 25% of a drop. Not full drop. It's so sad topic. I say, yes.
These stories, I heard one that once Krishna sent one Gopa to Radharani.
Yes.
And the only way he could get into her chamber, that he had to dress herself.
Yes, Saki.
Yeah.
Yes,
And
I know.
Radharani went out in his dress. I think Sudama was
Yes,
also.
yes, I know it.
You know the story.
Yes.
Where could I learn about all these stories? Because
Arre
I
Baba.
read about.
Books are there. And Goswami books. Yes.
Madhurya Kadambini also. I heard something.
Madhurya Kadambini is,
It's not that.
yes, no, that is not there. You should hear all these things from proper source. Then you will cure your heart disease that lost.
Yes.
Asu Rudrogoka. You are a diseased person, you have heart disease that lost. And this will be cured. If you hear all these pastimes of Radha and Krishna from proper source.
Hear the lusty affairs of Krishna.
Yes,
Then
lost
all
affairs.
cured.
Yeah, your mental lust will be cured. Proper, hear from proper source. Otherwise, it will develop your lust. You will misunderstand it, I say that.
Increase our lust.
Yes, increase your lust. You understand? Then I'll leave. 7
That's what Prabhupada recommended to everyone. If you are lusty, you should be lusty for Krishna.
Yes, Kama Krishnarpane. Become as lusty as gopis.
Yeah.
That is said.
Who's that hunchback lady?
Kubja.
Kubja.
Yes.
She also cured and became the best gopi, huh?
That is, other points are there. That in Ujjwal Nilam we find. Samartharati, Sadharani, Samartha, Samanjasa categories are there. Like Kubja, hunchback is Sadharani category. What is Sadharani? It is Samartha. Do you understand? That different things are there. Very subtle points. You cannot understand. It's a question of Ujjwal Nilamani. Rupa Goswami has mentioned. And categories are there. It's Rati Prakarana. Rati. You understand? You just hear these words. When you have come to that stage, then you will be naturally inquisitive about it. That is postgraduate studies, higher studies. Ujjwal Nilamani, Lalita Mahadava, Vidagdha Mahadava. Oh, such books.
So Maharaj, Guru Maharaj, unless we are educated in this science, in this language,
Yeah.
it's not possible to enter into this lila of Krishna.
No.
Huh? We have to go through the education,
Yeah.
life after life. If you
Yes. Although you can release it. You can't release it. Translation, English language is not proper language to express all these things.
But then if you have a pure heart, you can understand.
I can understand, yes. Yes. No language barrier will be there. Yes.
there was a case with Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. There was a Brahmana,
Yeah,
and he was illiterate. He was not
Yes.
educated,
Yeah.
and he was told by his guru to read the Bhagavad Gita,
Gita,
but he was not able because he was illiterate. But
And
when he
he-
saw the picture, he was
Yeah.
ecstatic.
No, you some, but he's not so proficient.
No, so yeah.
He was reading, but he cannot pronounce it correctly.
Ah, right.
People are laughing.
Yes.
But Mahaprabhu says you are the proper person. You are the right qualified person to read Bhagavad Gita.
Uh-huh.
But you are reading and crying, shedding tears.
Uh-huh.
Yes, more I read, more I see how Krishna is driving the chariot or Juno in battle of Kurukshetra. Mahaprabhu embraced, you are the right person. You are the really worthy person, qualified person to read Bhagavad Gita. This is Krishna Bhav, nothing else. Yes, this Krishna Bhav. If you have pure Bhav, then there will be no barrier.
No
at
need
all.
Sanskrit, huh?
No, language barrier. You can understand it. Yes, you can understand it. Yes. You can understand it. That verse is there in 10th canto. Sravat, Pathat, Pathat, Abhinati Asu, Sudroga Kama. This loving affairs, conjugal loving affairs, Radha and Krishna, and this gopis, should be heard from the proper source, bona fide source, for such a devotee. Then you Rudroga, the heart disease, the last, will be cured. Apihina Asu, very soon it will be cured. So, Krishna came, Krishna comes here, manifests such leelas here, in material world. This is not a platform to manifest, this is still he manifests, because he descends here with his abode, with his associates, for finally everything. Because this will be recorded, this will be narrated, this will be heard and spoken, then if proper person, bona fide source, one will hear, then his heart disease lost will be cured. So he manifests. Otherwise, what is the necessity? It is the only necessity, nothing else. But one should hear it in proper source, bona fide source, not from bogus source. Otherwise, the reverse will be result. Reverse result. You will misunderstand it.
Mutation.
Yes. Instead of your heart disease being cured, it will be increased.
Govinda Maharaj ki jai.